Hello everyone. Topic: plant hormones or phytohormones. Now, what is plant hormones? Definition: the control and coordination in plants is done by plant hormones, and it is also known as phytohormones. The plant hormones coordinate the activities of the plant by controlling one or the other aspect of the growth of the plant. So, the plant hormones are also known as plant growth substances. The growth of a plant can be divided into three stages. First, cell division. Second, cell enlargement. And third, cell differentiation. And these stages have particular locations in a plant. Now, types of plant hormones. There are four major types of plant hormones which are involved in the control and coordination in plants. These are auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, and abscisic acid, and it is also known as ABA. Auxins, gibberellins, and cytokinins are growth promoter hormones, which means they promote the growth of a plant. And abscisic acid is a growth inhibitor hormone, which means it inhibits the growth of a plant. Now, we will discuss about the detailed functions of the various plant hormones. First, auxins. It promotes cell enlargement and cell differentiation in plants. Auxins also promote fruit growth. Auxin hormone control a plant's response to light and gravity. Auxin is made by cells at the tip of stems and roots. Auxin moves away from the light and towards gravity. Auxin has opposite effect on the growth of stem and roots. Auxin speeds up growth in stem, but it slows down growth in roots. Synthetic auxins are applied in agriculture and horticulture. Second hormone is gibberellins. Gibberellins promote cell enlargement and cell differentiation in the presence of auxins. It helps in the dormancy in seeds and buds. It promotes growth in fruits. Gibberellin hormone is involved mainly in shoot extensions. Gibberellin stimulates elongation of shoots of various plants. These pictures show the effect of gibberellin plant hormones on the growth of plant. The plants on the left side in the given picture have low levels of gibberellin hormones. So, their growth is less. When synthetic gibberellin hormones are applied, the plants grow much more rapidly as shown on the right hand side in the given picture. Next hormone is cytokinins. Cytokinins promote cell division in plants. It also helps in breaking the dormancy of seeds and buds. It delays the aging in leaves. It promotes the opening of stomata and fruit growth. Next hormone is abscisic acid, and it is also known as ABA. It is a plant hormone which functions mainly as a growth inhibitor. That means it inhibits the growth of a plant. Abscisic acid promotes the dormancy in seeds and buds. It promotes the closing of stomata. It promotes the wilting and falling of leaves, and it also causes the detachment of flowers and fruits from the plants. Now, what is the functions of a plant hormones? There are various functions of a plant hormones. First, germination of seeds. Second, growth of root, stem and leaves. Third, movement of stomata in leaves. Fourth, flowering of plants. And fifth, ripening of fruits. Thank you.